Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls, coming to you from the West Coast. I'm working on a class on masking, and this was a little bit different way of thinking about a mask. Here's my card that I made. It's this beautiful 3D butterfly, but if you raise up the wings, you can see that I used a mask to create, let me go that way, that I used a mask to create this one, the inked background, the inked inside, and that stamping on the inside as well. So you create this beautiful shaped stamp, and I used the Altenew Serene Blossom stamp, and then this butterfly die is from Crafter's Companion. So pretty. I really love how that came out. So let me show you how it's made. So I've got a piece of card that's just about 6 3/4 by 5 or 4 3/4, because my card blank is 5 by 7. And then I created a mask out of another piece of card that's essentially the same size. And the way I created this mask is I took a die that I have. This is a butterfly die, and I just cut it out of the center of that cardstock. And this is the butterfly that it cuts out. It's a really pretty butterfly. It's a Crafter's Companion die, but I'm just going to put my mask right over the top, hold both of those down with my magnet, and this is not sticky. It's just cardstock, but I'm going to be stamping straight down, so I don't care that much because I'm not going to be inking or anything like that. So I'm just going to stamp right over the top. I might ink a little bit later around here, but I'm not sure. And I'm going to be using the Serene Blooms stamp set because I like these little flowers, and I just want to I'm going to fill this shape with these little flowers. Now, if you had an individual flower stamp, you could do that. But I just got these Serene Blooms stamp and die set, and I really want to use it, so I'm going to use it. And all I'm going to do is I want to try and get my stamps to go right up along the edges, and then I'm just going to kind of fill in, and I'm just going to ink. I'm not going to ink the entire stamp. I don't want that bottom leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and ink it, and I'm going to take a baby wipe and wipe off where I don't want that ink to be. Now I got ink on that part of the stamp that I do not want to stamp. So I'm just going to cover that with some tape so that that part of the stamp will not stamp. So that's exactly what I want to do, but I'm going to fill that whole image in. And I don't want to get that center part. So what I did is I just cut a piece of, or I've just got a piece of scrap card, and I'm just going to place it right over that center. And let me tape it down. Okay, because I want to get flowers in there, but not in the middle. Okay, there's my stamping pen. Take that centerpiece off. And now when I pull my card off, see I've got a nice butterfly shape, but I am going to do a little bit of inking. I didn't think I was going to, but I changed my mind. So I'm going to put that mask back into place. I'm just going to get a really small blending brush, and I'm just going to hold that together, and I'm just going to go around the edges where there's no floral. Put a little bit of green in there. That gives me a little bit better definition of that butterfly. Now I'm going to take, what I did is I took this and I set it on a piece of craft card, and I drew a pencil line on the inside of this line, and then I fussy cut that out to create a reverse mask, and I'm going to put that on there just like that, and then I'm going to ink the outside around my butterfly with a nice soft blue. Now I can pull that mask off, and now I've got this really contrasting, beautiful butterfly. Now I'm going to come in and color those flowers and leaves. So my stamp set comes with a set of stencils for the flowers and leaves. So and now because of that mask, I have this beautiful image. So just, I'm going to take these white antennae off because I don't want them to stick out from underneath. So I'm going to take my colored butterfly, and I'm just putting glue on the body part in the center. And now you've got your beautiful butterfly flying off the page with that beautiful stamped image underneath of Serene Blooms, because of the mask. And there we go. Got my butterfly wings that just lift right off of there. Really pretty colors, but you've got that beautiful stamped floral underneath because of the use of the mask. And you can use the positive mask by covering up the shape of the butterfly to ink around the outside. You can use the negative mask where you use basically the cut out whole part to do your stamping and your inking inside. I'm really pleased with that. So thanks for watching.